Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 10 of the little splash whale in Heartopia. So it is the Azure Splash Whale, and you'll find it on top of this blue coral, which is in Coral Way. It's here. The mark is a little bit off, so I'm sorry about that. So let's just take a picture of this splash whale. Okay, need to get a little closer, I guess. There we go. Picture. And also don't forget to give it a little boop, guys. Don't forget to do that. Boop. Oops. Hello. Where is it? Oh, boop. Okay, and the bubble is not far off. It's on top of a blue coral as well. I think it's this one. Yeah. It's this one over here. You just swim to the right and you'll find it on top of the blue coral as well. It won't go very far. And here's where it is on the map. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.